Hi, guys. I'm going to read to you today a book called I Am Peace, a book of mindfulness by Susan Verde and art by Peter H. Reynolds. You may recognize this art and this author. This team of Verde and Reynolds have made multiple other books, like The Spot. And this book I love because it's about mindfulness, which is one of the things that I have been practicing with my students and I've been practicing myself. And if you don't know, mindfulness is when you are present in the moment without judgment. So when you're being mindful, you're not thinking about the future or worried about the future, and you're not thinking about the past. Instead, you're in the present, and you're doing that without judgment, meaning you're not thinking this is really good or this is really bad. You're just present. And it can be very powerful, especially if you have anxiety or worry about things and things feel heavy or difficult in your life. Being mindful and present without judgment can really be helpful. It's a wonderful practice, something that many teachers and doctors are encouraging people of all ages to do. That's my son. I'll keep reading. All right. I Am Peace, a book of mindfulness. There are times when I worry about what might happen next and what happened before. The thoughts in my head are like rushing water, and I feel like a boat with no anchor, being carried away. You can see he's flipping and falling down there in the water. I give myself a moment. I take a breath, and then I tell myself, it's all right. I feel the ground beneath my feet and steady myself. And start to notice the here and the now. My thoughts begin to settle. My mind begins to clear. I am peace. I can watch my worries gently pop and disappear. I let things go. I can say what I feel inside out loud. I know myself. I can share kindness with others. I make a difference. So there you can see those little seeds falling to the earth, and one kerplunk falls into the earth. And then eventually this little tree is growing. And there it is, sometime later. I can hug a tree and thank it for its beauty and strength. I connect to nature. I can watch the clouds make shapes against the sky. I know wonder. I can taste and smell and see and touch and hear what is all around me. I use my senses. I can feel my breath fill my whole body. I tune into me. Now the water is still. I have found my anchor, and everything is all right. I don't need to worry about before or after. I am in this moment. I am peace. Now I share my peace with others and hope that it is carried away to those who need it. And I dream we are peace. And this little blurb here is a guided meditation. And if you wanted to close or pause the video and read this, I'm going to read the beginning here so you understand. It says, mindfulness exercises are simple and fun. Here is a mindful meditation that adults and kids can practice together to find their peace. One of the easiest and most common mindfulness exercises is learning how to focus on our breath. We are always breathing, but we don't always pay attention to how we do it. Noticing our breath helps us connect with sensations in our bodies. By learning how to regulate our breath, we can feel calmer and more grounded in the present moment. This can ultimately help us handle what life sends our way on a daily basis. So, if this sounds fun to you, maybe have your mom and dad read through this and practice some mindfulness breathing exercises with your parents. It's really a wonderful way to spend your time. All right, thanks so much. This is our last week together. It's the end of school and summer is coming. And remember, you can always come back to this book and do some mindfulness practices if you'd like later in the summer. So it will be here on my YouTube channel if you can't connect to Google Classroom. And if you'd like a better connection to that, let me know. All right. Have a wonderful summer. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you in the fall. Take care. Bye bye.